Hey guys, it's me Jada and I'm back. It is the first video of 2018 that I'm uploading, and I knew that this was going to be exciting because I saved it for my Sheabassador box video. So I am a Shea Moisture ambassador, Sheabassador of class 2018, and I got my first box a couple days ago, and I wanted to do it step by step, all in one shot of how to use the African Black soap line. This is specifically the facial line that they sent me, and it also comes with a body scrub, which is the only product I'm going to be using off screen. So I'm going to tell you how to use these. It's very simple. They sent the instructions, and they even sent me this really adorable headband to keep the hair out of my face. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on now so I don't forget, because I have a habit of forgetting. I just washed my hair too, but that's a whole nother story. This is so cute. I was so excited when I opened this up the other day. I was like, they even sent a headband. This is so cute. So just to keep the hair out of my face. It doesn't need to be neat or anything. So I did get out of the shower. I didn't put anything on my face. Just detangled my hair, the long process. But the first thing of the two products for the face is to use this. This is their African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Foaming Facial Wash. So this is the first thing we're going to put on our face, but our face needs to be damp first. So I'm just going to grab a detoxifying wipe that I got from, it's not from them, but this is from Five Below. This is just to dampen my face so that the product will soak in, since, you know, they left instructions and we know exactly what to do. So my face is just the right amount of damp. And the first instruction is to use 1 to 2 pumps and massage into damp skin. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. Here it is. This. It actually smells just like the soap that I do buy from them, the African Black Soap Bar. So we're just gonna massage it into our skin. And the only thing I'm gonna do off screen is wash it off with warm water as directed and then pat dry. So simple enough. This line is, if I'm correct, because I do read a lot on products, especially Shea Moisture. They have so many lines. So this is for more acne-prone skin. I do not have extremely acne-prone skin. I do have a little bit of blemishes and stuff, but this is for detoxifying, and it is safe. So it is all of my skin now, and I'm gonna stop recording and come back with a dry face. And then put the second product in. And there we go. So it's all in there. All I have to do is wash it off and pat dry. It looks like I don't know how to do anything right. Alright, I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I'm patting dry the rest that I did not get off when I was in the bathroom. So my face is dry now. It's very refreshing. And now we're gonna apply the African Black Soap Charcoal, come on, focus, Charcoal Hydrating Gelee Moisturizer. I love the way they spelled jelly. Unless I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's pronounced jelly. Now the only other moisturizer that I have from Shea Moisture is the Coconut Hibiscus Moisturizing Cream. But this is not what I would call a cream. It is literally a jelly, and I've never seen anything like it. So the instructions for this: a necessary must hydration is what it says in here. After thorough cleanse, apply the moisturizer to face and neck with upward motions. Very, very specific. The other cream that I have from them specifies that you have to do it in like circular motions. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, and whatever I have left, I'll put here. And let me close this before I spill it, because anyone who knows me knows that I am a very clumsy person. So God, I have to be careful not to get in my eye because I just felt myself touch my eyeball. So yes, in upward motions. Don't forget the neck here. It smells super good. I don't really have a specific face care regimen. I do just use Clean and Clear, but I think I'm gonna switch over to this because I've always loved Shea Moisture, and I don't feel like it's drying my skin out, but we'll have to wait and use it a couple more times to fully determine that, because my face does get too dry if I wash my face every day with Clean and Clear. So, oh, it smells great. I haven't used the African black soap in a while, but that is the soap I usually use. So yes, these are the products. It smells very, it's not too strong of a smell too. It's very light. So these are the products that I used today. Why am I like this? Where's the other one? Okay. Sorry. So yeah, just these two. I like the way it feels so far. It doesn't feel like my face is having any kind of reaction to it. I actually feel like I look a little bit like I'm glowing. Let me stop. But yeah, that's how you use it. I will use the body scrub that they provided while I'm in the shower next time. I kind of forgot that this was a body scrub, so I didn't use it in the shower today, but I will be back to tell you in another video, like a honorable mention, how this feels. I've never used a body scrub before. So, yeah, that's today's video. Sorry if it was too long or if I rambled too much, but I was excited and you know how to use it now. And I'm glad that, you know, I'm part of the program. I'm super grateful. That's a whole nother video on how I actually got in the program. But yeah, let me stop talking and yeah, little shape. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Bye guys, I'm gonna cut it short now. Perfect timing.